Hi, in front of me is Acer B3-A40 Iconia One, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Now you need to select a date and tap over here to create an event. Now you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click Done, invite people, take notes, set up location and even pick starting hour or ending one. When you're done, click Save at the top right corner of this pop-up, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by clicking on it and clicking on these three dots at the top right corner. Then select Delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!